Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I'm working in my sketchbook from the Sketchbook Project. This is actually only page 1, and I believe it is due in April, so I'm way behind. I'll have to work really hard to get caught up. Anyway, I have an idea for what I want to do, and it involves a lot of faces. So maybe by the end of this little sketchbook, I'll be able to do a decent face. Anyway, this is just a drawing of a mother and a baby, and I do add a little bit of watercolor to it, which is not exactly conducive on this paper, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to play some music, and I hope you enjoy. So that background is looking a little funky because of the way the paper absorbed the watercolor, so I decided I would stencil some polka dots in the background and hopefully distract from the unevenness of it. And there we go. So I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.